The FBI's Houston office says this gang leader has ties here, a network of MS-13 members. They're hoping someone for $5 million will turn him in.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Now, why am I doing this video on this guy from Honduras, who the US is an MS-3 gang leader, is the big head time gang member in Honduras, and the US put $5 million on his head, and I'm gonna tell you why. Now, I am going to do a comparison and a juxtapose with Jamaica, if you guys don't mind. Let's go. Now, he was in jail in Honduras, and the MS-13 gang member them broke him out of jail in a police shootout, and like 4 to 5 police got killed in the jailbreak. So now they're saying he's still in Honduras, but why did the FBI put a $5 million tag on his head? This make DUDUS and the scammer them of Jamaica look like paper doll, paper tiger.
In 2021, the MS-13 leader in Honduras was indicted by the U.S. Department of Justice for racketeering, importing cocaine, and possession of a machine gun.
So this guy, he never leave Honduras, but the U.S. Justice Department indict him on racketeering, drug smuggling, and possession of a submachine gun. Now, why did they indict him? They indict him because they have been watching this gang, they have information, informants, and they know he's a transnational MS-13 gang leader, the higher up, who is sending drugs from Honduras to America, and that's putting American lives in danger. Similar to what happened to DUDUS, but in DUDUS' case, it's way different because this guy here, he broke out of jail, killed some police, him crew, and he is gone. Now, like me say, the US put a $5 million reward on him. That means they want this guy. Now, this is a lesson for some of these Jamaican drug dealer and them island drug dealer. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do a video on a Guyanese youth. But let me finish talk about this. This is a lesson to show you guys that America is not the place to play with. Given the fact now, this guy, he's not like DUDUS, who came in America upon a different name and traveled before God can. No. This guy, all he does is stay in Honduras and run the MS-13 all over the world. Now, one of the most significant reasons why them put it out is because him have direct ties to Texas and the cartel them. And for them to put out such a strong $5 million reward for this guy, that means they have lots of information and they want this guy badly. I say that to say this. We see Jamaica and a lot of people is saying, why don't the US step in and clean up Jamaica? But the US is not going to step in and clean up Jamaica unless it involves their interests or their citizens, their country or whatnot. You understand? So in the meantime, they are gonna let Jamaica kill Jamaica. Only way, and this proves it. This proves it, because like they come and them get DUDUS and the little scammer them, like the one where they there Panama, a hide out to blow out and things them safe. Them come and them catch him and thing like that. But if you notice, them just do that underneath a low-key aspects. Boom, boom, boom. But with this guy in Honduras, they're pulling out all the stops. So I've come to the conclusion, Jamaica is not a threat to America. So until we become a threat to America national security and them people and them thing there, they're not gonna step in and help Jamaica. And like I said, this guy, Porky, MS-13 gang member, he makes DUDUS look like a paper soldier. And I just had to bring his story. Now, I'm gonna finish up this video, but I'm gonna play the clip of the FBI. As a matter of fact, this is the Assistant Secretary of State for Narcotics. So those are the people who chase the man them down in the Caribbean and South America. He's the one who made this announcement. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. But I just had to do this video to bring to the people them that America is not playing. And then it make Jamaica look like a paper tiger. I'm out.
Up to $5 million. That is the reward.
The State Department